You've got to visit Edinburgh, seriously. It's like stepping into a storybook with its old castles, cozy pubs, and those winding cobblestone streets. Edinburgh is a city where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Imagine walking through cobbled streets filled with centuries-old architecture. It's the capital of Scotland, and it has it all. First stop, Edinburgh Castle. Perched high on Castle Rock, it offers breathtaking views and a deep dive into history. Next, wander down the Royal Mile, an atmospheric street full of shops, pubs, and historic buildings. Love nature? Climb Arthur's Seat for panoramic views of the city. Or get lost in the beauty of Prince's Street Gardens. The vibe is just awesome. History everywhere you look, but also this artsy, modern feel that makes the whole city buzz. So, whether you're drawn to history, culture, or natural beauty, Edinburgh offers a unique experience that leaves a lasting impression. Trust me, you'll love it. Here are the top 10 activities to enjoy your visit and not waste any time. Number 1. Harry Potter. Magical Guided Walking Tour. Take a magical walking tour of Edinburgh and discover the world of Harry Potter was conceived. Test your knowledge with a quiz, find out your Hogwarts house, and visit Tom Riddle's grave. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Find your tickets in the link below.